Hello, I'm Poonam Mathur. My husband and I were working on a project for quite some time, but it was not leading us anywhere. उससे हमें कोई financial gain भी नहीं हो रहा था और वैसे भी it was just not moving ahead. And after a few sessions, we realized that some activity has started in the project, and we were put under new mentorship, which is not likely in this project at all. ये एक मिरेकल ही था, हमें एक नई लीडरशिप के अंदर डाला गया और दे स्टार्टेड मेंटरिंग अस एंड वी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स. तो कुछ हरकत होनी शुरू हुई प्रोजेक्ट में एंड वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू अचीविंग अ फाइनेंशियल गोल्स थ्रू इट. And then second very significant thing was when my daughter was to undergo an eye surgery. The nature of my husband's job is such that there's a lot of fluctuation, financial fluctuation in it, and we didn't have the funds at that time. We were also looking for a good doctor and were not able to decide where to go and how to proceed further in the matter. And we discussed this situation with Mr. Kohli, and within a few weeks time we got a good doctor, and एक पेमेंट भी रिलीज हो गई उस टाइम पे एग्जैक्ट अमाउंट विवेक को जो चाहिए था, and the surgery was successful, and we thank the creator for this positive change in her life. Another instance I would like to relate is regarding her admission, my daughter's admission in college. Although she got excellent marks in all the subjects, 95 plus उसका percentage था, but जिस subject में उसको आगे pursue करना था, in that particular subject she got lesser marks, and we were all worried कि उसको compromise करना पड़ेगा. It was not a very happy state of mind, but luckily again she got the subject of her choice as well as the college of her liking. And first cutout list में ही उसका नाम आ गया, so that was a very positive change that we acknowledge. Another incident is very recently, I mean I think जो manifestation part है वो बहुत strong होती जा रही है. A few days back I was traveling in a shared auto, and as soon as I entered the auto there was a man sitting beside me who was drunk. And I realized that it was very uncomfortable sitting next to the person, and I realized that I had to get out of it, but I couldn't afford to leave the auto because it was getting late, और दूसरा भी मिलता तो भी कोई guarantee नहीं थी कि हमें वहाँ पे भी अच्छे लोग मिलते. So I just prayed कि मैं ठीक ठाक से पहुँच जाऊँ, and the gentry was not good in the auto. And suddenly after 2 minutes the man got down of the auto, और उसकी जगह एक और औरत आके बैठ गई, and I could travel, I mean, safely home. So the list can go on and on. There were a lot of body aches and pains which I used to experience off and on, और वो बिल्कुल ही खत्म हो गए. They have just disappeared. और जो कभी थोड़ा बहुत होता भी है, the frequency is so negligible that I just don't notice them. So thank you, Creator. Thank you, Amit ji, for this wonderful experience that we've been having all throughout.